All right, next one's going to be entitled 21-year-old thinks he can bully the police without consequences.
To be on this train. Yep. I mean, you guys are white. You don't understand.
No, On June 29th, 2023,
Oh,
officers were dispatched to a train where a man refused to lower his music volume. Train employees asked him to leave due to the disturbance, but he refused.
Oh, sir. Is that him?
Yeah.
All right. They want you off the train.
For what?
You've been unruly in the train, so they want you off.
I paid my ticket to go downtown. I don't have.
Okay.
I don't
but
have
you've been
a reason to
causing
get off.
problems. You've been causing. All right.
No, I have not.
You've been causing problems.
No, I
for
have
them,
not.
So they want you off the train.
I have not been causing problems. I paid my fare.
Yep.
Okay.
I get it, you know. I think it's just that he wants to play music and he won't turn it down, so they tell him to leave. And then he's thinking it's because of the person that he is, which isn't
Well,
the
if that's the case, I want my refund.
They won't refund you. You got.
You can't do that.
You got to get.
How do I have to get off the train if you can't refund me?
You got to get a hold of.
No, I'm not getting off the
Metro.
train. I'm not getting off the train.
If you refuse to get off the
Yeah, because then at that point it's about money. Now we're really talking about money here, and he, you know, doesn't seem to have that much of that.
train, will be placed under arrest and criminally be charged.
How
And
will
we
I
prefer not to do that.
How will I be criminally charged
Criminal trespass.
if I paid to get on this train?
Yep, because you're.
You have a problem with me because I was playing music. I obviously turned my music off and I paid to get on this train.
The music's not currently playing, so I think he just wants to use the train at this point, which I'm actually on his side.
So obviously, you can give me my refund.
Okay, yelling like
and I
this
get off
as
this
well
train.
also
No,
isn't solving
I'm not
any
trying to do none of that
They
shit.
can deny you
Because
service.
first of all, I'm a f***ing customer.
Yep,
And
okay.
I
Deny you
paid.
service.
I paid to be on this
And
train.
you cause problems.
I get it. He's just saying he's yelling because he's frustrated. That's pretty much it.
No,
on it
I didn't cause
after you
anything.
paid.
Is he complaining about it? No, he's not. I'm the only f***ing passenger in this f***ing cab.
Yep.
So right now,
Okay, the yelling and cursing, and now I feel like they're gonna switch on you because of that, unfortunately.
I'm playing music, and he's the only one who has a f***ing problem with it because he works for this f***ing shit. I'm
Yeah,
not causing
he
no
works here.
commotion. Yeah, he works here, but he walks out the f***ing train carts. I'm not
Okay.
causing no commotion. I'm just playing music.
Okay.
That's all I'm doing.
Look, man, they
He's
just
being-
asked that you get off the train.
Okay, well, give me my refund and I get off the f***ing train.
He doesn't have.
Give me my
They don't
refund.
refund you here.
Give me my
Okay, yeah, this part's there. He's not gonna understand that they don't have control of that. Like you already messed up, and you,
They don't
refund.
refund here. So
Mother, you hear what I'm saying? Give
come
me
on.
my f***ing refund.
get your
Now
stuff.
get off
and
the
get-
f***ing train.
bro, what is it like $2 or whatever? Like give him $5, man, and then I don't know, like maybe not. Maybe that's too much. I mean, you just get off the train. I don't know. What do you guys think?
No, because what the f*** is that?
Did you hear
It's
what he
too-
told you
it's too-
already?
No,
When we placed
I
under
hear what he's
arrest.
saying.
Okay.
Where's my refund?
Let me just make sure that.
It's just about the money.
If he doesn't need,
Where's my
we're
refund?
arresting him. Alright.
I get my refund.
If he refuses to get off, you guys are willing to sign complaints and have him criminally trespass and.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Bro, and he probably needs to use the bus. Like, this is so unfortunate. This is why people don't like this stuff. Like, he did turn the music off. Why not just let him stay on the train? And then they're already like, no, well, we already called the cops and stuff. Like, dude, just let him. He's not playing music.
I'm on my way back downtown to get on the f***ing bus to go home.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything. You're a police officer. Obviously, you're not going to hear what I'm saying anyway because, oh, they're the Metro and they're in distress and they're, oh, we're criminals.
Can we get
Okay, this isn't help. Oh my goodness. You could see where it changed though. I mean, that's something. Now it's just gonna get violent.
third unit
Like,
just
no,
in
I'm
case
not
the individual becomes
I'm
combative.
playing music. That's it.
Okay.
I paid for my f***ing ticket. So if you have a f***ing problem,
Okay.
give me my f***ing refund and I get off the f***ing train and catch the next one.
Come on.
No,
Get off.
I'm not
He's
getting off.
not giving you the money. That's not an option.
Well,
All right. First direct order. Get out of the train.
where's my...
I'm giving you 3 direct orders, and if you refuse to get off the train, you're being placed under arrest. First direct order. Get off the
Where
train.
is my
You're not getting the money. Stand up, walk off the train, or we're placing you under arrest.
Second direct order, and this is all being audio and video recorded. Second direct order. Get off the train.
What am I being detained for, though?
You're not being detained. They need you off the train
Then
right
why
now.
are you saying I have to be detained if I
No,
refuse to get off
you will
the
be
train?
placed under arrest.
I paid to be on the
You will be
train.
placed
This is
under
your
arrest.
last chance, man. You don't
Oh,
stand
man.
up now.
So,
Look,
so
I paid
Just
to
get
be on the
off.
train.
We're not going to stand here and talk anymore. We're past that. Stand up, get off the train.
Look, I f***ing paid to be on
Yeah,
the train.
I
Bro,
understand.
is there not a goddamn bus pass that you can give them for next time or something? Like just anything so that you guys don't have to cause. Now you guys are causing a problem on the train. Like, come on.
That, but they could deny service and they could kick you out. And if you want to get reimbursed, you need to contact Metro. They will not reimburse you.
They
because
work for Metro.
They don't
What the hell
have
are you
the money to
talking
give
about?
you. They're employees.
I gave him the money to get on this train.
Well, I'm
What
sorry.
do you mean? Well, you're the
Sorry to hear
police
that.
officer.
Sorry
You're
to hear
supposed
that.
to hear my side
Well,
out too. You're not supposed to just hear his side out.
They don't
I'm
want
the f***ing customer.
And they're the
What do you
police.
mean?
They
You
don't
don't
want
want
you
to hear it. You're the f***ing police
Right.
officer. You're supposed to be on two-person
Sir.
side.
Bro, if y'all were both not screaming, it would be easy to solve. But this is not going to go anywhere.
Third direct
I'm not
order.
trying to hear that.
Get off the train.
Give me my money back.
All right.
And I get off the f***ing
Come on.
train. I paid you. No, give me my f***ing bag back.
Oh, come
Give me
on.
my bag. No.
Get up. Get up.
Dude, I never root.
Get up. Get out or you're under arrest. Your
Get out.
choice.
Get out or you're under
Your
arrest.
choice. What do you want to do?
Shut your goofy ass up. I get off the You're goofy.
Yep.
You know that. And you know that.
And before,
No, you know what? No,
and
give
before
me
you
my
get,
f***ing bag.
we need to
Give me
identify
my bag.
you. So
No,
what
you
is
don't.
your information? Yeah.
No,
'cause
you
you're
don't.
being trespassed.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
I am not trespassing
Yes.
anything. First
Don't
of all,
put your hand
this
up.
is a public
Oh, man.
transportation.
Well, they don't want you here, so
He wasn't even ready for that amount of information.
Give me my bag.
we need your information.
No, you don't. You don't
Yeah.
need anything. Because first of all, I paid to be on this train.
Yep.
He
And I
kicked me
understand
off. He kicked me off because I decided to play music.
Okay.
Should
On
be
a-
doing
the
it
right
then.
to do that.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
He doesn't have the right
Yes,
to
he
do that.
does.
He's just being a f***ing asshole.
right.
Because he hates his f***ing job because you decided to be a f***ing Metro driver, instructor. It's your f***ing life.
Bro, why are you going after him now?
I'm on my
Can't
way
do
home.
nothing.
I got my own shit I'm dealing with. So I don't give a f*** what's going on with you. I got shit I'm dealing with too.
All right.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, he don't even make the rules. Like, he just got to follow that or he's gonna get fired. Like, honestly, like he's just got to do what he's got to do. And they probably said, yeah, just throw him off. If they start cussing at you and stuff, which happened, yeah, I would want to throw him off too. Like, you're not gonna cuss at me on my bus, bro. Like, even if you stopped your music, get off. You're being an asshole. Get off. We can refuse anybody, right? Everybody knows that.
I'm talking, but I f***ing paid to be on this f***ing train. Give me my f***ing bag. No, I don't have to identify
Yes, you
shit.
do.
No, I
Yes, you
don't.
do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Under law? No, I don't. Because I
Under
didn't
law,
break
yes,
any
you do.
law. No, I didn't.
You've
No,
caused a
what,
commotion today.
what commotions did I break?
Okay. Do you guys want him arrested? All right. Turn around.
No,
Turn around.
no,
You're
no,
under
no,
arrest.
no.
Yep.
I'm not under
Turn
arrest.
around. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes. Yes, you are. And stop refusing.
What am I under
Stop
arrest for?
resisting.
What am I under arrest
Stop
for?
resisting.
Stop refusing. Stop refusing. Oh,
Is there
man.
arm behind your back?
Stop resisting.
I'm not
Stop
resisting.
resisting. There we go.
What am I? Are you
What's so
serious
messed up,
right
bro?
now?
Yes, you're under arrest.
For what? I didn't do
And
anything,
trespass from the
bro.
music.
Stop resisting.
Bro, are you serious? Right
Yes, I'm serious right
now?
now.
What?
Because
I'm-
we gave you 3 direct orders to get out.
I'm trying-
And you
I'm
couldn't
about to
simply
get
do that.
out.
Well, now you're under arrest.
I'm about to get you. I'm about to get out
Well,
of the
too
train.
late. It's too late. We gave you that option, and you didn't want to take it.
Bro,
Okay.
are you serious? I'm about to get out
So-
of the train.
Bro, I thought this guy in the back was like sneak recording or something. He's not.
Relax your hands for we can
My
fix
hands are
handcuffs.
relaxed.
For we can fix them.
I
If
paid
not,
for the
you're gonna
ticket.
hurt your hands.
Stop twisting
So
like
stop
this, man.
tensing them up and relax them.
Dude,
Fix this hand for it doesn't
my
hurt 'em.
hand is fixed.
I said
I literally-
he's gonna fix the handcuffs for
twisting
it doesn't
up.
hurt you.
Sir,
Go ahead,
I
fix that.
literally paid for
Fix
the
that.
f***ing train. And you're a f***ing minority
Property secure and
too.
double lock.
You're a minority too. And this is how you do minorities? You ought to be ashamed of yourself, man.
Okay, now when you go that direction, then you just kind of lose all,
You don't want to keep doing this. Come on.
credibility.
What am I being arrested for? For paying for...
Bro, and then he's just gonna go off and like be like, "Oh, police are so lame and stuff," and then it just doesn't go well for
At
anyone.
the
Sir,
conductor,
literally,
where's home?
I literally just told him.
Where's home?
I mean,
Hold on a second. We're past
That was
that,
it.
right?
I
They
wasn't
call
trying...
us, we get here. Well, they called Metro PD, who's on their way, but we're here to help them because they
Oh,
stopped
I really hope they get through to him because this doesn't have to be so messy.
at our station for whatever reason and called us,
I
okay?
understand.
So we're here trying to help them
Chill.
figure this whole thing out. Now, when they said get off the train, did you get off the train?
No.
Because
Simple.
he didn't say I had to get off the train until after the fact.
Okay.
Because I was saying like,
What's after the fact?
he was saying turn my music down. I turned my music down.
Did he tell you to get off the train?
No.
The conductor?
He said if you don't turn your music down, I'm gonna call the police. I turned my music down, and he came back in the cart and said, okay, well, you didn't turn your music down the way I wanted you to, so I'm gonna call the police.
Okay.
I didn't have my music blasting. I literally had it just on my speaker playing. Like, I wasn't trying to cause a commotion. I was just on my way home from my mom's house. Like,
Okay.
I'm literally not doing anything. I'm not a criminal.
He wanted you to get off the train and you weren't.
I know,
Right?
but
So
I was just,
that's why we're here right
know,
now,
I know.
and apparently these
I
guys
know.
thought it was appropriate to put you in handcuffs because you weren't getting off the train.
I
and
was
you,
just
and
frustrated.
you were probably yelling at him
I-
on the
no,
train,
I
right?
wasn't.
So
He absolutely was berating them on the train. Absolutely.
I wasn't.
that's why we're here right now.
I was just frustrated because I already paid for the ticket, and then after the fact, when I was playing my music, he said, "Turn it down, otherwise I'm gonna call the police and get you kicked
You
off."
said that,
and
bro.
I turned the music down, and then he came back, and then they
Because I had to identify you, and you were refusing to identify yourself.
because that's the rules. I don't have to have.
No.
I don't have.
I don't care what they say. You can stay in there. We can't override them. So if they want you out,
Just listen to music, and he told me to turn it down, and I turned it down, and he said, "If you don't turn it down, I'm gonna call the police." And I was like, "All right, I'll turn it
He
down."
has said this 3 times. We
think
know.
about it. Nowadays people are more sensitive than they used to be back in the day, especially. Right? So we're
I
gonna
don't like this guy. I feel like every time he talks.
bring you to the station, give you some paperwork, and then you'll be out. Okay.
Do you have anything in any of your pockets?
I'm trying to think right now. I mean, obviously, I don't
It's
have
just
a
a
gun.
charger, right?
So no gun, no knives.
I have brass knuckles on me, but I don't think they're. I think I might have left them at my mom's house. I only have them because the side I live on is.
Okay. If they're at your mom's house, that's fine. But also, you shouldn't carry them. Just a heads up, okay?
I mean,
Okay.
it's just everyone's from a different side of
No,
town.
I understand. Yep, I'll say.
It's not because
Damn,
you know
man.
Over into the other cars.
I did, and I wasn't trying to resist to show you like, oh, well, I got something to hide. It was just.
No, we don't
It's
have
from-
that. You.
So we're gonna transport you to our station where Metro will come, deal with
Uh-oh.
the paperwork, and go from there.
Who
Okay.
will I be able to call?
You'll be able to make some phone calls once we get to the station. Okay.
Your phone in your bag?
I have my phone on me. I
Yeah.
have my mom's number.
And we have a phone at the station too and all that. Okay. So let's
Oh man, they're still taking everything and still gonna charge him.
bring them to the station.
Could I at least call them now? So
Huh? Once we get to the station, we'll allow you to make all your phone
Just so
calls
that we
and
can
stuff.
start
Okay.
get this stuff rolling, okay?
even minorities are against you. Doesn't make any sense.
You said just the phone on you?
My phone is in
Yeah, well now they don't feel bad
self-defense
about
store
it.
around my neighborhood. I live in South Shore, so.
Which
They're gonna charge you with that too now.
makes sense. But
I mean, you guys are white. You don't understand.
no,
I'm literally from a side
Yeah, now they're gonna. Come on,
where I
bro.
have to fucking. It's either fight or die.
So
So like, don't even act like you understand what's going on, 'cause you don't.
so allow you to have them.
I get it. I'm not trying to cause any commotion. Crime! That's the thing. I didn't. I paid my fare. I paid my fare. I played music on the.
hear me out real quick.
Hear you out. Like, come
But-
on, bro.
Yeah, he's not gonna take that well. I mean, honestly, his whole thing is kind of messed up now. He can't take that train, period, or he's gonna get arrested. Now he has charges on his record as well. It's gonna be harder to get a job, and then he's gonna waste all this time being at the station and dealing with all of that. There's gonna be fines. Like, dude is screwed just for playing music and then being, kind of stupid as a 21-year-old. But come on, all 21-year-olds are like that. Like, you gotta approach it differently, man. Like, this is not some 43-year-old who's, deadbeat. It's just different. Anyway, next one's gonna be police surprises woman at the store after she steals $800 worth of groceries.